Alright, so I'm going to show you a little bit around our apartment. We're in the basement apartment here. Gotta go fast. Here's our living room and flowers and shelf bookcase. Now this is the most important part of it, the kitchen. And what's kind of cool is, the restroom's right here. There's a sink. We had pineapple for dinner. It was yummy. We had like 3 dinners. It was crazy. People kept feeding us. Here's the bedroom. Hi. See, there we are. Says all that. Oh, my lovely pictures up here.
Take me there. Take me there.
She wants to go somewhere. And the huge closet. This whole thing is closet. And Sister Korolchik, look how many clothes she has. And bear in mind, we're doing laundry tomorrow. Look at all those, and I have like 4.
I'm with you. Like, really, you felt
Then
like
here's mine.
what I think.
Yeah.
So I'm with you.
Yeah. I think that's it.